Now we're going to show how easy it is to replace the MG magnesium bar. Simply locate the covering on the left side of the light if you are behind the light, and it is on the right side if you are facing the light. Push the covering open, and there you will find the MG bar with one wire connector attached to it. Lift the wire connector off the MG bar. Take your fingers and turn the MG bar counterclockwise. Lift it out of the light. Then to replace the MG bar, simply take the new one, place it into the opening of the light, turn it clockwise, reattach the connector wire, then place the cover back on the light. It's just that simple.